Alright, so I'm back. It's been a little while. There's a lot going on. So between the mixture of so many parts, what's this one? Fuel pressure regulator rocked up, fuel pump rocked up, grabbed myself a little fuel filter. The place is an absolute mess. Rags can go over there. I think these are all there last time. What's new? Probably nothing here. One thing that is new, and I do apologise for not filming, but this. Super cool. I decided to mount the proportioning valve in the engine bay, just because, I don't know, it's much easier to put it there. I'm going to just run the rear line from here straight into there, tee it back up into all the factory stuff. Yeah, so basically, I'll zoom in a little bit. That is just a plate with 4 studs welded to it. They were bolts, I just cut the heads off after I tacked them on there. And then another 2 bolts coming through the other way, just welded in as well. It's basically like an adapter to cover the hole from the firewall from the booster to be able to bolt this on here. Extended the brake pedal pin. Let's see if you can see it. Maybe. Up there. So that's all sorted. And my wife is pinching my drinks.
There's none left.
She drank them all already. Dodgy. Anyway. So yes, that's in. I did want to film it, but it's just one of those jobs where I had to figure it out as I went, and I kind of don't have a lot of time with running the workshop. So yeah, I just do stuff when I can and let you guys see what I do when I can. So I've still got to mount the reservoirs and all the other fun stuff there. All I've done now is just made the bracket and bolted it on. So you haven't missed out on a whole lot. Yeah, and radiator is exactly how we left it from the last video. Still haven't trimmed the excess that I need. I still have to support this because now it's, don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And I can fit a battery in here, which is cool. So the coolant overflow will go over that side, not there, probably up in here. The washer bottle will go over there. Yes, but with all the stuff that I had, I kind of got excited and, I don't know, started doing everything all at once and got carried away. So, to finish this episode off, is where we started, trying to make the gearbox go back in, because it's still not in. I got carried away. So I managed to find the mounts, the bolts, the nuts, both sides over there. So yes, time to put that dirty bastard in there and actually have this combo bolted to the car, done. Now I can focus on, say, cooling system, fuel system over there and down in here and stuff, braking system. So yeah, from here on, I'm going to try my best to categorize the episodes. So, alright, I don't get lost like I did in this episode. Let's see how we go. Alright, so the boring bit, which I don't think you'll be able to get to see too well. So we're still ratchet strapped up. You got 2 studs, right, should be in the middle of the frame there. That's where the mount goes, and up into here. So, phone, shush. Before I was rudely interrupted. Yes, so that up there. I'll do my best to try and film it, but I don't know. See how we go. Okay, so like anything with this car, it's become a bit of a mission. One, because this car was, well, somebody else's parts car when I first bought it, and they butchered the cross member. But two, because this is, well, it's a Wagon, as you all know, but it's a GD, so it's second generation model. Gets a little confusing, but all the Wagons are based off the first gens. All the first gens only have the holes in the floor for the transmission they came out with, right? So I assumed this being a GD, it would have both holes, but no, it doesn't, or it didn't, or... Anyway, long story short, down in here, see those two holes down there? Somebody ever so kindly beforehand has drilled those through the whole floor. Whereas the trick for the first gens was to cut that section of the floor out, weld in some captive bolts and weld that section back in. But no. So when I was trying to, he's going sideways now, sorry, bear with me. Trying to put this in, doesn't fit. Found holes, so now I have to use long bolts to go through the top, like this. Wait, wrong hand. In there. Through there. Not that one. This one. The mount's still there. But anyway. So now, I'm just going to take you off the thing. Go there. So you can stay upright. Now I have a thread, which is not long enough to go through all the bushes. So I don't have any longer ones, and I mean, I'm just going to make it work. So yeah, here's me making it work. Anyway, so that's a wrap for me. For this episode anyway, of course. Look. The gearbox. Yeah, I've got to turn this thing around. Oh, I forgot to remove this. That means it's free. So, see down there. Nuts and bolts. Disgusting. I'll fix that one day. Yes. But anyway, so as I said at the start of this today, from now on I'm probably going to do my best to just categorize things. So next up, I mean, this is now bolted in. This and the gearbox is bolted in. So I've got to, it's here somewhere, this disgusting thing. Let's see if it'll focus. Yep. It's nasty, right? That lives there for my clutch cable, like this one, and this one is even worse. Look at that, nasty. So, got to fix this, make it better. Probably going to put some riv nuts into there, maybe, and make that much nicer. But yes, fix that because it's to do with the gearbox, and then I can put the clutch cable in, and that bit's done. I might put the shaft in. It's stuck under there, still bolted to the diff, so you know, one of those jobs where it's dirty, it's messy, there's crap everywhere under it, but I need it for this anyway. So yeah, that don't know what I'm doing next. I'll think about it. I bought some in the roof, some flat alloy there. Put that back down. Because what my plan is for here is go up and put a dog leg in it, and probably go into that hole or, you know, somewhere near it with some riv nuts, and kind of make a bracket for both sides there, and something for down there, because this is where the radiator used to mount, and this is where it mounts now. So yes, well, just a 90-degree bracket on the chassis leg or what, don't know, but so maybe that. Yeah, I don't know, maybe the next episode's going to be asked about face with this one too. I apologise. But anyway, so I can finally finish this episode. That's great. And I'm going to go inside and edit it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.